friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today, we're going to do a great vocal warm-up for singers that has some of the best vocal exercises for singing. Remember that habits form over time, so make sure to remain consistent with your practice as you strive for good technique. Check in with your alignment and aim for a feeling that is tall, expansive, balanced, but relaxed. Maybe feel like you're opening up the front of your body and take a couple of low, easy, natural feeling breaths. Lip trills are absolutely on my list of best vocal warm-ups. If they're challenging for you, keep working on them. But if you need to try something a little bit different, you can roll your tongue or sing on a zh or a v sound. We're going to sing. Here we go. Let's move on to another glide on a zh sound this time. We'll sing. We're going to go kind of slow, and your goal is to have no noticeable cracks in the sound. Here we go. One more semi-occluded vocal tract exercise on an NG sound, like at the end of the word sing. We'll sing the following pattern. Your turn. Let's move to a rounded oo vowel as we sing on zooey ooey ooey, like zooey ooey 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 ooey. We'll descend. Zooey ooey 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 ooey. Zooey ooey 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 ooey. Zooey ooey 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 ooey. I've published a mobile app full of vocal warm-ups. It has some of my very best playlists, there are no commercials, and you can save your favorites for offline use. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen, and information is down below. I hope you'll check it out. Let's sigh very gently. One more time, no pressure. As I warm up, I like to move from more closed sounds to more open sounds. For this next exercise, imagine a very round feeling in the mouth and throat. We're going to sing on ho-ah-ee-ah-oh, like ho-ah-ee-ah-oh, and go ho-ah-ee-ah-oh. One more descending pentascale, this time on ha ma ma, like ha ma 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 ma. Here we go. Ha ma 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 ma. 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 A little bit of flexibility work now as we sing on money, money, mo, like money, 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 mo. Here we go. Money, 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 mo. 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 Let's move into some range work. As a reminder, feel free to switch octaves as needed, but it's always a good idea to work to expand your range. We'll start fairly low and go pretty high. We're going to do this one on a lip trill. We'll sing a full octave arpeggio like and go. and sigh down. I like to balance vigorous work with relaxing work, so let's descend now on a va, 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 really releasing the tongue, the jaw, and the lips. We'll sing va, va, va. Here we go. Va, va, va. If you're keeping track, we've now covered 3 octaves. And finally, we're going to come back to a full octave arpeggio, this time on an open Z-ah. Be brave on these high notes and focus on keeping the breath flowing into a relaxed and open space. Try to avoid judgment as you gently push past your comfort zone. It sounds like this. Z-ah. Here we go. Z-ah. Z-ah. Sigh down. Thank you so much for warming up with me today. It is always a pleasure. I appreciate it when you like, subscribe, or comment. It really supports my channel. I also hope you'll check out my vocal warm-up app that's linked below and here. I'll see you next time.